Your hips could be dying and you don't even know it. Every year, millions of seniors fall victim to silent killers like hip fractures, arthritis, and bone deterioration. These aren't just aches and pains, they're life-threatening ticking time bombs that can rob you of your mobility, independence, and even cut your life short. But here's the shocking truth. The solution lies in 5 miraculous vitamins that most people are dangerously deficient in. Miss out on these and you're leaving your hips and your health wide open to collapse. If you're over 60, this is not optional. Stick with me because in the next few minutes, you'll discover how these nutrients can rebuild your hips, restore your strength, and potentially save your life. Don't wait until it's too late. Your future depends on what you do right now. 1. Vitamin D. Did you know that vitamin D deficiency is silently wreaking havoc on the health of millions of seniors? Here's the alarming truth. Without enough vitamin D, your bones and hips are left vulnerable, becoming brittle and weak. Studies show that adults over 60 who lack vitamin D are 30% more likely to suffer fractures, and hip fractures in particular can reduce life expectancy by up to 25%. Take 75-year-old Robert, for example. He was an active walker in his neighborhood but ignored his hip pain, thinking it was just arthritis. Little did he know, his vitamin D levels had plummeted after years of avoiding the sun. One icy morning, a simple slip led to a devastating hip fracture that left him bedridden for months. If he'd acted earlier, Robert's story could have had a very different ending. So why is vitamin D so vital? This miracle nutrient helps your body absorb calcium, which is essential for building and maintaining strong bones. Without it, calcium bypasses your skeleton and goes to waste. Even worse, the lack of vitamin D can accelerate bone loss and increase the risk of osteoporosis, a silent threat that often isn't discovered until it's too late. Here's the good news. Getting enough vitamin D is easy and life-changing. Spend just 15 minutes in direct sunlight daily to allow your body to produce it naturally. If sunshine is scarce, consider foods like fortified milk, fatty fish, or a vitamin D3 supplement. Experts recommend 1,000 to 2,000 IU per day for adults over 60. Don't let low vitamin D levels rob you of your independence. Protect your hips, stay mobile, and enjoy life. Start taking your vitamin D seriously because your hips depend on it. 2. Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is often overlooked, but it plays a critical role in keeping your hips strong and your bones healthy as you age. Without it, calcium, the building block of your bones, can end up in the wrong places, like your arteries, instead of strengthening your skeletal system. This not only weakens your hips, but also increases the risk of cardiovascular problems. Here's how it works. Vitamin K2 activates a protein called osteocalcin, which binds calcium to your bones. At the same time, it helps regulate a protein called matrix GLA protein, MGP, which prevents calcium from being deposited in your blood vessels. This dual action ensures that calcium supports your bones without harming your heart. Without enough vitamin K2, the calcium you consume could inadvertently harm your health rather than help it. Research shows that seniors with higher levels of vitamin K2 have significantly stronger bones and lower rates of fractures. It's particularly important for those already experiencing signs of bone loss or osteoporosis. The hips, which bear the brunt of your body's weight, are especially dependent on the proper utilization of calcium, a process that vitamin K2 ensures. To boost your vitamin K2 levels, look for foods such as natto, fermented soybeans, grass-fed cheese, egg yolks, and liver. However, these foods may not always be staples in a typical diet, especially for older adults. That's why many doctors recommend a vitamin K2 supplement, often paired with vitamin D3 for optimal bone health synergy. A daily dose of 90 to 120 micrograms is generally recommended for adults over 60. Incorporating vitamin K2 into your routine is a simple yet powerful way to protect your hips and maintain your mobility. By directing calcium where it's needed most, vitamin K2 supports not just your bones, but your overall health and vitality. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. When it comes to protecting your hips and maintaining mobility as you age, omega-3 fatty acids are nothing short of miraculous. These essential fats are renowned for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce joint pain, stiffness, and swelling, issues that plague millions of adults over 60. Chronic inflammation is a silent enemy of hip health. Over time, it can wear down the cartilage in your hip joints, leading to pain, reduced flexibility, and eventually, conditions like osteoarthritis. Omega-3s act as natural inflammation fighters, calming overactive immune responses and supporting healthier joints. For anyone experiencing soreness or stiffness in the hips, this nutrient is vital for long-term relief and protection. Beyond reducing inflammation, omega-3s are key to maintaining the lubrication within your joints. This helps keep your movements smooth and pain-free, allowing you to enjoy daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, or gardening without discomfort. In fact, research has shown that seniors who consume omega-3s regularly report better joint function and less reliance on pain medications. To incorporate omega-3s into your diet, focus on fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, which are rich in EPA and DHA, the most effective forms of omega-3. For plant-based options, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are excellent sources of ALA, another type of omega-3, though it's less readily converted by the body. If you're not a fan of fish or seeds, a high-quality fish oil supplement can provide the same benefits, with experts recommending 1,000–2,000 mg daily for optimal joint health. By reducing inflammation, improving joint lubrication, and supporting overall mobility, omega-3 fatty acids are a must for anyone looking to protect their hips and maintain an active, pain-free lifestyle. Make them a regular part of your diet today and give your hips the support they need to keep moving strong. 4. Magnesium. Magnesium is a powerhouse mineral that plays a vital role in protecting your hips, keeping your muscles strong, and ensuring your bones remain resilient. Despite its importance, many adults over 60 are magnesium deficient, which can lead to muscle cramps, joint pain, and even weakened bones. Why is magnesium so crucial for hip health? First, it's a key player in calcium absorption. While calcium strengthens your bones, it needs magnesium to be effectively absorbed and utilized. Without enough magnesium, calcium can't do its job properly, leaving your bones, and especially your hips, vulnerable to fractures and osteoporosis. Second, magnesium supports muscle function. The hips rely on surrounding muscles for stability and strength. Magnesium helps prevent muscle spasms and cramping, which can lead to stiffness, discomfort, and even an increased risk of falls. By keeping your muscles relaxed and functioning optimally, magnesium ensures that your hips are supported and your movements remain fluid. Additionally, magnesium is known to combat inflammation, which is a major contributor to joint deterioration. Reducing inflammation around the hip joints can alleviate pain and prevent further damage over time. To ensure you're getting enough magnesium, focus on foods like leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, nuts, almonds, cashews, seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and whole grains. Dark chocolate and avocados are also excellent sources, making healthy eating both nutritious and enjoyable. If you find it difficult to meet your needs through diet alone, consider a magnesium supplement with 320–420 mg per day being the recommended amount for adults over 60. Incorporating magnesium into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step towards stronger bones, better muscle function, and healthier hips. Don't let a magnesium deficiency hold you back. Take charge of your hip health today and enjoy the freedom to move with ease. 5. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is more than just an immune booster. It's an essential nutrient for maintaining hip health and preventing joint deterioration. As the cornerstone of collagen production, vitamin C plays a crucial role in building and repairing the cartilage, tendons, and ligaments that keep your hips strong and mobile. Collagen acts like the cushion in your hip joints, absorbing shock and enabling smooth, pain-free movement. Without sufficient vitamin C, your body's ability to produce collagen declines, leading to weakened cartilage. Over time, this can accelerate wear and tear in the hips, resulting in pain, stiffness, and conditions like osteoarthritis. In addition to its collagen-building powers, vitamin C is a potent antioxidant. It fights off free radicals, unstable molecules that cause inflammation and cellular damage in your joints. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin C not only protects your hips, but also slows the progression of age-related joint problems. Vitamin C is also vital for bone health. Studies have shown that seniors with higher vitamin C intake have stronger bones and a reduced risk of fractures. This is particularly important for the hips, which bear the body's weight and are most vulnerable to injuries from falls. To get enough vitamin C, include foods like oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, kiwi, and broccoli in your diet. For convenience, a daily supplement of 500-1,000 mg can ensure your body has what it needs to support collagen production and fight inflammation. By fueling your body with this critical nutrient, you're giving your hips the tools they need to stay strong and resilient. Don't underestimate the power of vitamin C. It's the ultimate protector of your joints, keeping you active, mobile, and thriving well into your golden years.